Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this neon outline effect on CapCut PC. So go to background and basically select any color that you want. I'm just going to select this kind of pink color. I will then just scale it up, go to mask and select the heart shape. Go to effects and search for neon. And you're just going to place it on the heart like that. So it does look red first. If you want, you can just go and add in like a black and white adjustments, and then you can add the color after that. So I am actually just going to go with the same pink here. Let's go to basic, and I'm actually just going to go to mask and make it a little bit bigger. Basic, blend mode, and select the linear burn one. Okay. Then I'm going to go to effects again, and I'm going to add in edge glow. And I'm also just going to go to this one, and I'm going to, let's say, well, actually I'm just going to go on this one, and I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. I'm going to feather it out. So I want like a brighter color. I don't really like the first glow there. And you can also, I think, go to the nature and add a little bit of that luminescence filter on top. It just makes it better. I think that filter is actually better, that effect. So just leave it like that, and there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!